Hello, and welcome to a quick video showing how we can use math apps in addition to pictures like seen here in our Google Slides. So this is a problem from a first grade lesson. You'll notice that they're really trying to make 10 in as many ways as possible. So we're going to take a look at the number frames math app, which is can show 10 frames. So looking at your class link page, you will notice a math app. Your apps might be slightly different than mine, but you will have a math app there somewhere. Once math apps comes up, and just for the record, students have these as well. They can get to it using their class link. You can scroll down here. Here we go. And like I said, we're going to be using those number frames for this one because we're really focusing on how many different ways we can make 10. Now, as a teacher, you have a few options. We're going to come in here. We're going to open Web App. And for sharing purposes, you can share this blank screen with students, or you can share one that's already has some 10 frames put in. Depends on your students, depends on what they need. But let's look at our options for sharing. So if we come down here to this share, this little arrow down here, click there, we can share the link. So if we copy the link, we can come into our Google slide here. You could also share the link through chat if you're doing a Google Meet. That will work as well. Or you could have kids go in through their class link. Any of those options will work. Click to use number frames map app. We'll have number frames, highlight, I right clicked, link, paste, and that's going to take students right to that screen with the number frames that they can manipulate. So once a student, what's great about this, and I had already put one there, I could put 5 there, I could put no 10 frames there. It really depends on what works for you, what works for your students, do whatever you need. But now let's say I'm the student, I can come in, I can share, I can copy my image. So right click, copy image. And as the student, I could come in here, right click, paste, and I could show you all of the ways that I could make 10. So I didn't put any chips in there yet or counters in there yet, but just pretend it's all filled in. The other option would also be to share the code or copy that code, and that will have the students using what or seeing what you've created. So that's just a quick little tutorial on how you could utilize the number frames math app for this. There are a bunch of other math apps as well. So please watch the video to kind of learn more about the different math apps. Thanks so much for listening.